सुखासनस्थं हृदयाब्जपीठे चिन्मुद्रयालङ्कृतपाणिपद्मं शुभोपवीतं विमलोर्ध्वपुण्ड्रं नमामि रङ्गं गुरुमन्तरङ्गे. This is a concise preamble to our institution, Ashtanga Yoga Vijnana Mandiram, with an emblem which is an epitome of all Shastras and Kalas, a treasure house of Jnana and Vijnana, and the watermark of art elevating to divinity. The term Yoga Abhyasa is currently used in the sense of performing some asanas or physical postures and breath exercises called pranayama. The rishis, however, who gave that word to be used in the sense of the highest state in which the supreme goal of life is realized. Yoga means to unite or to be in the state of tranquility, the state of union of Jiva and Paramatma. And the self enjoys its natural and normal rest. It is also called Sahajasthiti and Unmani. In it, the mind is yoked to the highest object of life, and its other functions come to a standstill, and the self becomes divested of association with sorrow. A course leading to yoga is also called yoga. The stages in attaining the highest state of yoga are generally enumerated as 8 Ashtanga Yoga: Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. Now, Vijnana is a special science and art reaching the state of yoga and coming back from it with a complete understanding of its course. The mandiram, or the mansion for practicing it, is verily the body. So, Ashtanga Yoga Vijnana Mandiram chiefly applies to the body in which the knowledge of yoga is practiced and attained. In a secondary sense, it refers to an institution with the above object, and the mandiram in this sense was founded by Sriranga Mahaguru on the Vijayadashami day in 1947 at Hedatale. Those who were initiated by him were its members. Later, it was decided to conduct the activities of the organization with headquarters at Mysore and branches at Bangalore and Basirikatte in Chikmagalur district. Bharatiya culture has a perennial existence, being based upon the eternal principles of the Supreme Lord, the light guiding all the activities of the universe, and its spiritual nucleus. It is a divine tree with Satya as the taproot and Dharma as the shoots and branches. It yields all the objects of life, ending in the attainment of the sweet and sappy fruit of supreme bliss. But unfortunately, parasites have grown upon it and are damaging the very tree from which they are drawing sustenance. We have to destroy these overgrowths and rear the tree once again in all its pristine glory. A practice of this culture takes the form of Ashtanga Yoga. The organization aims at a proper understanding, appreciation, and propagation of this glorious culture. It's carrying on original research work on the various branches of our culture and civilization, and the fruits of this work are made known to people under proper conditions according to available facilities. The organization got itself registered under the Mysore Societies Act in the year 1968. The Mahaguru and the Mahamata of the Mandiram, Srimati Vijayalakshmi, the Sahadharmini of the Mahaguru, have been the source of inspiration to us in carrying on the activities of the Mandiram. In addition to giving spiritual discipline to qualified sadhakas by Mahaguru and the Mahamata, the Mandiram is arranging pravachanas and publishing profound literature on the various branches of our culture. Members deputed by the Mandiram have represented its views on the above subject in cultural gatherings. It has so far published about 80 books, the list of which can be seen in our website. These books have been reviewed and appreciated by eminent scholars in public newspapers and received well by the lovers of culture. We offer the fruits of all our activities to supreme light through the Mahaguru, who is shining in the innermost shrine of our hearts. Sriranga Arpanamastu.